Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. This is a day 2 of SQL series where we solve 584 problem names find customer river in LeetCode. Okay, so here we have customer table and here some things like column name and type. Here column name is ID, name and refer ID, and here type is int, varchar and int. In SQL, ID is a primary key column for this table, and each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their names, and the ID of the customer who refer them. The main thing is this: we have to solve the problem through this. Okay, so here find the name of the customer that are either refer by any customer with ID is not equal to 2 and not refer by any customer. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. We have a one example here, this. So now we understand what's are doing here. Here ID, name and refer ID. Okay, so here one will null, two Jan null, and three Alexa 2 and Bill null, Zach 1 and Mark 2. So here the print thing is Will, Jane, Bill and Jack. What is not printing here? Not printing here Alex. Why? Because here is 2. And in problem is saying refer by any customer with ID is not equal to 2. Okay, so here refer ID is 2. That's why we are not printing. And here mark also id is not equal to 2, so id is equal to 2. That's why we are not printing here. So we go and solve the problem. Here first we write select what we wants to print. So we want print here name. So here we write select name from what is our table name. Our table name is customer. So here we write customer. Okay, now the main point is we write clause where clause, and here we write now what's id is not equal to id is not equal to 2. This point id is not equal to 2, and here is saying either, it means or. So here we write or condition not refer by any customer. It means here refer id, refer id is null. Now we compile here, not compile, a direct one, and we check wrong answer. Why? Because here we write id, but here is not write id. Here write what here write? Here write refer id. That's why. So we write here refer id. Now we again run this code, and yes, it is successfully run. And now submit the code. 100% successful. 19 out of 19 test cases passed. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.